What's up everybody, so thank you for coming into today's video. Today what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna showing you what happened to my car last year, and what we did this winter in 2023 to 2024 in the beginning, and see what we did to fix. So as you can see on the video, my car got on fire last year on the last event, and we're just showing you what's burnt. Pretty much everything on the engine bay, or the line burnt, and the engine bay here. The front bumper was burnt, and all that, and then all the hood underneath. Obviously the top is burnt, and the fender, as you can see, is all burnt. All because of the stupid fuel regulator sensor broke, and he basically just boom and caught the thing on fire. So that was really unfortunate. Now time to fix everything. Alright, so as you can see, the fan shroud is melted down, and then we're gonna go on the bottom, and Jesus Christ, it's melted from the bottom too. I never see such thing, but yeah. We're gonna try to start the car real quick. So as you hear, car still starts. I took out the fan shroud, and this turbo timer thing, I threw that away because that's the reason why fuel was keep coming out even though engine was off, because 30-second thingy. And so this is a burn looking from outside view, and that sucks, by the way. It actually help from burning out more. So I make sure to put it on again. And then just showing you what really burnt on the front bumper, and showing you, what I'm gonna be doing here. I did the undercoat little quick on here, so that it doesn't rust out, brand new one, shiny coats on the front. And we took everything out of here on the seats, interior pieces, and on the subframe we remove it. We put the GK Tech, reinforcement thingy on. And we sanded down even more on this video here. Alright, so we put first coat, base coat, and probably second coat by now. And then we are going to move on to next, the clear coat coming up. And we did the clear coat and came out really shine, so it's pretty nice. It's all that, so it doesn't last out for me. So we did the sunroof modification here because the cage wouldn't fit on top. And one thing I liked about this cage is it fits under the door panel. Again, thank you Brian for help on this. And going back to hood now, it's very burnt here. We sand all that down, we primer this, so that way it's smooth now. And I sanded that down, so it's about to be ready to move to paint. Alright, time to undercoat the back. We did the undercoating on this, shiny like the front. And we did another coat, so it's very thick and so it doesn't rust out easily. And now going to the other side, took everything out so we can basically do the same thing. And meanwhile, I wanted to do the diff same thing just like that, so we started to prep. We put the coats on the other side, this is the passenger side, no, driver side actually. And we put the diff on that as well. And now we are putting all the diff, everything together. We are sanding down this very burnt front lips, and we're gonna sand this hood next so we can actually paint it. And while we sand, and we realize that we can just simply use the air blow gun and literally can take off all the clear pieces off. So all the sanding was kind of wasted, but I learned something new here because it never worked on the fire car. But anyway, I kind of sanded down on the hood pretty good, so it's ready to paint. Now we're gonna do the lips, and basically all this is ready to go. I wish I primer this, so that right now it didn't come out good, but it's good enough. So the subframe are ready to go on this, and we're gonna do the front, so hopefully we can put on the ground today. We gotta do the front and subframe, and yeah, that's our next step. So I'm just doing a time lapse. I'm putting on the subframe back. Now that I can say we didn't end up putting this right because my e-brake cable broke because I didn't put that thing right. So, but other than that, e-holding afterwards speaking, so I did pretty good job for doing this by myself. Um, Earlier, Adrian and Will helped me, with taking that off, so thank you to them for that. So now we'll go back to front bumper. We're gonna sand that big brown thing, and then looking at the engine bay, that we gotta sand all these very brown pieces. And next we fill all the hole that we got from burning on the lips, and then we're gonna get to this front bumper. We're gonna fill all the hole that got burnt as well. So, and then also as you're looking at the fender damage, it's very burnt inside and the front. Finally, it's ready for primer, so we primer this front bumper. So, and then the lip, so we're gonna sand that down and prep it, ready to go. One thing I want you guys to know as a painter, you don't have to, primer everything. If you leave it like as this video here, I didn't sand most of the, and so that way you can just do a blending, So we did the first coat on the lips, painting, just blending the fender in so we don't have to use all the paint. So as the bumper, we're just painting the left side of it and really not painting the right side of it. So ready to clear now. We're gonna clear that. We're gonna clear the front bumpers. It's very looking shiny, and we're just gonna do the right side of it. Fender got really nice, and we got started to clear on this. And the front bumper is about to go clear as well. So it's coming out really nice as you can see, and this is the second clear coat looks like, and came out very mint. Yep, I'm very happy about that. So yep, and this is the last coat on the clear looks like. So yeah, that's the last coat of the clear, and it came out pretty amazing. So the next day it dried out. As you can see, my cell phone, it's very shiny, nice clear coat. So I'm very happy that it's very nice and smooth, no more rough spot after the burn. So I was very happy to see these bumpers to go back on. So next thing, unfortunately, this very still have fire chemical on the engine. I had to clean that out. But we have to do this engine bay. It's gonna be really paining us with the engine in there, but we had to sand it down, and we're gonna have to blow that with the air gun now that I know how to do it. So it makes the thing easier. And meanwhile, I bought new calipers from Z32, so we're gonna paint that as well instead of primer, because it's just gonna last out if you don't. So we're gonna get to it, and we painted that caliper a little quick blue, so it matched the color of the car. Came out pretty good, as you can see, very shiny, and I did that on the Skyline, and it lasts pretty long, so I'm pretty hyped about that. And we had to sand it down to bare metal on the engine bay. I just didn't want to chance it to react and peeling again, so we had to cover entire shop with all the black cover so it doesn't get overspray onto my cars. And fast coat paint came in, very nice and smooth. I'm very happy, no reaction whatsoever, so that's very great. And we're gonna put the clear coat, so started to come very shine. And I'm actually blending this too, so that end of the day it doesn't look like I just painted this spot. So it's pretty nice, came out pretty good after overall. Looks like second, this is the second clear coat look like. You can see myself from the videos, so very shiny. I'm very excited to see, because this took a while to sand this down too. It took almost all the couple months to do this. Now you can see myself through the black and very shine. This is the final product. You can see I'm waving myself, and very nice. That's great. Alright, now that all the masking tape is off, we're just gonna clean it, and we are going to finish the video. So again, thank you for tuning in today's video. If you like it, make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe. I will see you on next video. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day, everybody. Bye bye.